Good morning. My name is Scott. I'm with Michigan Roof Renewal. We use a soybean oil product to renew the oils in the shingles. What happens is after shingles age, after about 10 years, the oil dries out of the shingle. When the oil dries out of the shingle, that's when they become brittle and they start flapping. All the aggregate starts falling off of the shingles. If you look along here, you can start to see the felts of the shingles. That's because the aggregate is falling off. The original oils in the shingles has started to fail. We come back with our soybean oil. We do a minor repairs on your roof, that's included. Then we treat your roof with the soybean oil. Once the roof has been treated, the aggregate stays in the shingle. It makes your shingles lay flat again and adds up to 15 years of life to your shingles for only 85 cents a square foot.